Hello everyone. Introduction of Corporate Tax in UAE by Munish Mehta, LLB, CA, CS, IRP.
Let's discuss on the following topics. Background. Why corporate tax in the UAE? What is corporate tax? Effective date. Role of Federal Tax Authority. Role of Ministry of Finance. Emirates level taxes and UAE corporate tax. Is it viable to operate business in UAE after CT? Will corporate tax replace VAT? Will corporate tax replace excise? Scope. Background. The Ministry of Finance of UAE announced the federal CT on January 31, 2022. The CT effective from financial year beginning June 1, 2023. The UAE currently does not have a federal CT regime. Currently, at an emirate level, the UAE only levies corporate tax on oil and gas companies and branches of foreign banks. Furthermore, the UAE benefits from the presence of more than 40 free zones, which have their own rules and regulation. The responsible body is Federal Tax Authority, FTA. Why corporate tax in the UAE? The UAE is a member of Organization for Economics Cooperation and Development, OECD, Inclusive Framework on Base Erosion and Profit Shifting, BEPS. Hence committed for meeting the international standard for tax transparency and preventing harmful tax practices. To address the tax challenges arising from the digitalization of the economy. Two-pillar solution of BEPS introduces a global minimum corporate tax rate, set at 15%, to reduce tax competition amongst different jurisdictions. What is corporate tax? Corporate tax is a form of direct tax. Corporate tax levied on the net income or profit of corporations and other businesses. Corporate tax is also known as corporate income tax or business profit tax. Effective date. The UAE CT regime will become effective for financial years starting on or after 1st June 2023. Example. A business that has a financial year starting on July 1, 2023 and ending on June 30, 2024 will subject to UAE CT from July 1, 2023. A business that has calendar year as FI, starting from January 1 and ending on December 31, the UAE CT will be effective from January 1, 2024. Role of the Federal Tax Authority. The Federal Tax Authority, FTA, will be responsible for administration, collection, and enforcement of UAE corporate tax and other federal taxes. For the purpose of the administration, collection, and enforcement of corporate tax, the FTA will issue guides, respond to clarifications and provide awareness as required. Role of the Ministry of Finance. The Ministry of Finance will remain the competent authority for purposes of bilateral/multilateral tax agreements. The Ministry of Finance also has authority to issue further guidance and implementing for UAE corporate tax and others federal taxes. Emirates level taxes and UAE corporate tax. Business engage in the extraction of natural resources and in certain non-extractive activity are covered under Emirates level taxes. Other business may be subject to both corporate tax and Emirate level taxation. Emirate level taxes paid will not be able to credited against corporate tax payable. Viability to operate business in UAE after CT. As a leading jurisdiction for innovation and investment, the UAE plays a pivotal role in helping businesses grow locally and globally. The certainty of competitive tax rate and best-in-class CT regime, together with the UAE's extensive double tax treaty network, is a driving force to conduct business in UAE. Is it the right scope? Applicability of corporate tax. Taxability of corporate tax. Tax returns. Assessment. Violation and penalties. Is it viable to operate business in UAE after CT? As a leading jurisdiction for innovation and investment, the UAE plays a pivotal role in helping businesses grow locally and globally. The certainty of competitive tax rate and best-in-class CT regime, together with the UAE's extensive double tax treaty network, is a driving force to conduct business in UAE. Will CT replace VAT in the UAE? Corporate tax and VAT are two different types of taxes. Both will continue to apply in the UAE. If you are registered under VAT, you will have to pay VAT and corporate tax separately. Will CT replace excise tax in the UAE? Corporate tax and excise are two different types of taxes. Both will continue to apply in the UAE. If you are registered under excise, you will have to pay excise and corporate tax separately. Thank you.